I hit 1,000 subscribers quicker than I expected with zero experience, and I'm here to show you how you too can achieve this. If you're a beginner or a small YouTuber looking for real tips that actually worked with the YouTube algorithm in 2025, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing exactly how I grew to 1,000 subscribers fast without fancy equipment, pro editing skills, or prior experience on YouTube. So do well to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the family, and do well to share this video to another creator that needs it today. You need to ask yourself, what are people coming to your channel for? Clarity is king. I grew fast because I stopped trying to do everything and focus on one core topic. When your channel has a clear purpose, it makes the YouTube algorithm love your content. A quick tip on how to let the YouTube algorithm get a clear purpose of what your channel is all about. Do well to always add keywords in your channel's bio. Add words that are related to your niche and words that people are searching on YouTube. It's not about more posting, it's posting smart. Does your channel have keywords that people are searching for? Do you use the right hashtag related to the content that you're creating? Do you create content that answers to people's everyday need? Do you create content that gives answers to questions that people are asking on YouTube? These are some of the factors that gives a clearer purpose of what your YouTube channel is all about. So make sure to inculcate all these while you are creating your content on YouTube. You can't say you are a content creator on YouTube and your audience don't know what your content is all about. Today you're posting about food, the next you're posting about health, the next you're posting lifestyle. It's not a bad thing to want to juggle all niches, but make sure that you narrow down to one or possibly two or three niches that your audience will know you for. And make sure while creating content related to this niche, you use keywords and trending words that people are searching for. You can be creating a good video, but the keywords you are using are stale. So using current and trending keywords is one way to give the YouTube algorithm a clearer focus on what your content is all about. And once the algorithm knows what your content is all about, trust me, the algorithm is going to push your content to the audience that are looking for this content. So instead of double tasking yourself and creating multiple content that lacks keywords that people are looking for, keywords related to the niche that you're talking about, or questions that people are asking relating to this topic. The best way to fix this is to create smart and inculcate all the important features that the YouTube algorithm feeds on. I'm talking SEO, I'm talking keywords, I'm talking right hashtags, I'm talking asking the right questions, I'm talking putting out titles that are searchable. These are some important factors that the algorithm feeds on. And if you're able to find your path as a creator and give answers to all these features, then trust me, the YouTube algorithm is going to love your content and put it out there for the right audience. And in no time, you will grow your subscribers faster than you imagine. The second tip is always make sure that you're active on YouTube. For a couple of weeks, I have been off YouTube and I've noticed that my YouTube subscribers have reduced. This is because the algorithm no longer gets signals from me that I'm active on this platform. I no longer respond to messages. I am not posting again to feed the algorithm. So make sure that you stay consistent in posting your content, responding to your audience, building a community, showing up on YouTube so the algorithm notices that you are here. Consistency is not just when you are posting. Consistency is when you're out there replying to your comments. Consistency is showing up every other time so that the algorithm knows that you are present. The third factor that made me grow fast is supporting my fellow creator. I realized that when I started supporting creators in my level, I started growing because these creators noticed that I was supporting them and they returned the favor, which made the YouTube algorithm aware of my content and noticed that people were liking my content and put out my content out there for more persons to see, thereby growing my subscribers count in a very short while. So supporting a fellow creator is an important tip that is going to put you ahead and makes the YouTube algorithm love your channel and your content. If you're having struggles on knowing how to choose the perfect niche or knowing how to know the best content to post that your audience like the most, do well to comment below and I'm always free to help. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you're new to the family, and share this video to some other creator that needs it today. And see you in my next video. Bye.